How to set Chrome as default browser in laptop Windows 11. So this is mainly for laptops that run Windows 11 operating system. Okay, so let's get started. The first step is to click on the start menu. On the start menu, we see some apps. Click on settings. On this settings page, the next step you have to take is to click on apps, okay, under the menu sections. Okay, under the apps, there are some options you will see. Then look for default apps, which is what it says. So click on default apps. This will list some apps that are installed on your PC. So our option here, I would like to say our target is to get on to Chrome. So we are going to get to where Chrome is on this list. Okay, we can see Chrome here, so click on it. Then look at the top here, it says make Chrome your default browser. Just click on set as default. So with this, Chrome is set as your default browser on your PC. You can see most places appears as Chrome unless on the files that Chrome cannot open. So with this, anytime you want to open maybe a web link, it will automatically open with your Chrome browser, which is your default browser. I hope this helps. Please like this video if it helps by clicking the like button. Also, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do well by clicking the subscribe button. You can watch the playlist above for more videos on Windows 11. Thank you and see you some other time.